Stay with us. We're gonna show you a very interesting thing here. We'll just drive around, still heading south, hoping we'll get termite around the area. That it's more, it's more having more indication of whatever I'm saying just now. So don't go away. We'll be back. We're just hunting the termite that have similarities whatever we have presented just now. We're still with me and Peter here. We're still heading south. Thank you. It looked like the weather is changing slightly a bit south of our property. It looked like starting to be cloudy or a little bit coming from the south. I'm not sure what is going to happen here, but anyway, we believe we're still going to enjoy the late afternoon today. That's the termite that I'm going to show a little bit of whatever was said earlier on. I'm going to stop here for short explanation. I will talk about this termite here, as I said earlier on. Stay with us. We're going to show the example of whatever we're saying here. Here's the tree here. You can't see the base of the tree. The trees look like it'll be strangled with the termite. Why is like that? It's the wood termite that I mentioned earlier on that cover around this termite here, which means the other section of the tree is dead. The wood termite have come and eat the section. So it's trying to strangle the tree here Although that is not a very good example, but we're trying to show you how it works. You know, in nature, what happens? If anything dies, the job of the wood termite is to recycle everything back to soil, to decompose everything back to soil. Like if anything die, of course, trees, the wood termite will come and tear off and eat it and decompose it, recycle back to earth and become manure, and the grass must grow well around. You'll notice quite a lot. If you go around the termite mud, the grass is they got high potential of nutrition. Animal likes to come and graze around there because the soil has got a lot of nutrition there that's decomposed by the termites. So hardly you can't find grass easily around the termites. The reason is because of that. The termites, they act like hyenas. Hyena is anything die in the area, of course, scavengers. They eat bones. They recycle everything back to the soil. They eat bones, and the defecation is back to the soil. As you can see, it's quite a lot of calcium. That helps quite a lot the grass. Sometimes you have a balance of areas here. You get sweet grass and sour grass, all of that. And some of the areas got a lot of acidic. You can see a lot of calcium, even water around the